Okay, so for lesson 7, you want to complete these practice questions for lesson 7. I highly recommend doing these practice questions and also doing the textbook questions. Both are great resources for being successful. So do these and also do the textbook questions. So express in simplest form the ratio of 36 yards to 40 yards. So divide the numbers there and then simplify. So simplify the fraction so the denominator is 10. So you can divide the top and bottom by the same number. Just figure out a number that would work for the top and bottom to divide by in order to get the denominator to be 10. Then a couple earned $8,800 and their shares in the form 5 to 3. So find the smallest share. So in that case, you would take the 5 to 3, that ratio. You would have to do the smallest share. So take the 3 divided by the 5 plus 3, and then multiply that fraction by 8,800. And then for question 3, it's the same way. So like take this 3, divide it by the 5 plus 3, and then multiply it by 8,800 to get the smallest. And then to get the largest, you would take, in order to get the largest, you would do 5 divided by 3 plus 5, and then multiply by 8,800 to get the largest share. So for the largest share, it would be 5 on the top instead of 3. So 5 divided by 3 plus 5, and multiply by 8,800. Here, a farmer's charged $60-$40 storage fee for every 900 tons of produce he stores. What is the rate of the storage fee in cents to tons of produce? So you want to divide it. Divide the numbers, and then round it off to the nearest hundredth. So just round it. And then here in his automobile assembly plant produced 243 engines, of which 27 were defective. The same rate is true every day. How many of the 4,130 engines produced this month are defective? So divide the 27 divided by 243 and multiply by the 4,130. And then express in simplest form the ratio of 18 seconds to 15 seconds. Do 18 divided by 15 and then simplify it. So find a number that you can divide by the top and divide by the bottom that's the same to make it simplified. So those are how to do the questions. And so that's how you do the questions.